Hey fitness friends, I am so happy to be back at POPSUGAR filming fresh new episodes of Class FitSugar for you. And as most of you know, I had baby Luca back in August, and it has been one of the most rewarding yet challenging experiences of my life. I have received all of your supportive messages over the past several months, and I really want to thank you and let you know how much that means to me. Maybe it's my hormones, but they really brought tears to my eyes. You guys feel like more than just fitness friends. You feel like family. So I just wanted to share a little bit of my journey with you after having little Luca, because I really took the time to heal, to rest and recover in the first 8 weeks postpartum. I mostly eased my way back into walking and stretching during that time, because you know what? Fitness, it's a huge part of my lifestyle. So I knew that I'd have months and years to get back to strength and conditioning. Why rush it, right? Instead, I really worked on my mental fitness, allowing myself to adjust to all the changes in my life by journaling and meditating, reading, napping, and simply just accepting my new role as mom. I hope you other new moms out there give yourself this time and grace to ease back into all of your roles again, because this new one is pretty freaking huge, right? Now, as I'm back to work taking care of Luca and being a wife and a leader to my team, I've had to really get organized and get clear on my goals. Goal number one is to take care of my energy. I'm no good to anyone when I'm tired, right? And who else is waking up at 3 a.m. to feed their baby? Yeah, so if that means napping, I do it. I've also been blocking time to exercise, either strength training or doing my hill runs for about 10 to 20 minutes a day. I'm still trying to make my hill run the entire way without stopping, but those hills with a baby jogger are killer. Hashtag goals. Anyways, I could go on and on about how my life has changed since becoming a mom, but I'll share just this last thing with you. I've had to really be intentional about how I want to feel and show up each day. Some days are hard and I want to complain, I want to get bitter, or just simply retreat from my roles. But I know that that attitude won't serve me or my family. So on days that suck, I get intentional and I think about how I want to feel so that I can work towards being my best self. It's not always easy, but mamas, it makes all the difference. So I'm sending you guys all my love, and I hope you're ready to commit to your fitness with me and POPSUGAR this year. Let's freaking do this.